Alright, so I'm not with that bullshit ass reviews, so I got this off of Amazon. If it's shit, I'm gonna return it. But I'm not the type to post shit that's not good and claim that it's good. So we're finna do a review on this. We're about to open this hoe real quick. Alright, so we got the REDTIGER F17 dash cam. Here's the manual. Let me get this manual out. There's a quick start guide. Let's get this hoe out. I think this is the actual dash cam. Here we go. This is the dash cam. So we got forward facing and cabin facing. And let's hope that they also sent me the rear facing camera. Alright, they did. I'm pretty sure. Yep, it's right here. Cool. So this goes to the rear. So it records behind me. Put that to the side. Boom, we got this. This connects to the camera. And it goes on the windshield. And we're going to see how this does with bass too. We're going to see how it holds up with bass. If not, I might have to buy a suction cup mount. We've also got these for running wires. Alright, y'all. So this is it basically all hooked up. I still have to run the power wire around my dash. But honestly, it's not bad at all. You know what I mean? It's honestly cool as hell. I might still have to test it, but let's see. I guess he's good. I've got some tint and some really vibrant like deadener back there, so it's hard to see out the back window. But you could kind of see better with the brake lights on. And in the daytime, it'll be better. You know what I mean? And the cabin, it's not bad at all. You could switch it all too. It's cool as hell. But yes, sir, I fucks with it. Let me do this real quick. So I'm recording at the same time. See what I mean? I still have to run this power wire. I was just testing it because you need the hardwire kit, but I don't know if my high voltage changes that. I don't know if I have to get like a 12 volt set down or something. But yeah, that's what we're see. Got power wire actually right there. It's gonna go down along there, through here, right here. And there's that. Got it ran all around. Here's the rear one. I'll still clean it all up, you know what I mean? But that's how it's looking. So I'm gonna test it within the next few days. You know what I mean? I'll let y'all know how it goes. I'm not bullshitting with this shit. You know what I mean? Like, I keep it 100. I don't do this shit fake ass reviews. You know what I mean? Like, yes, sir.